A small group of students went through this course in November. Here's some of their work. Franco came in self-taught from YouTube videos, and now he feels much more confident about his abilities. Aiden had a couple years experience, but lacked the fundamentals. He was able to fill in some knowledge gaps and get more efficient. And Max is a design manager, and throughout this course, he got better with model sets, image editing, and animations. Some were complete beginners, others had some experience, but some knowledge gaps. All of them were able to improve their work. Now, I spent 3 years working as KeyShot's global training specialist, teaching Apple, Tesla, Peloton, Intel, and lots of other companies. I've logged over 1,000 hours in person training design teams. So here's what I've noticed after spending more than a decade teaching hundreds of designers. Random tutorials teach isolated tricks. They don't teach you how to think about the full process of rendering. They don't teach you the order of operations, whether to focus on lighting versus materials, or even what makes an image look professional versus amateur. And most courses try to teach you everything. 20+ hours of content that you'll never finish, drowning in details that you're not ready for yet. Even I'm guilty of making this mistake. This time I built something different. I took everything I learned from teaching professionals and created the fastest path from confused beginner to confident renderer. Here's what makes this different. First, speed. In your first session, within an hour, you'll have 3 professional renderings you can show to your boss or add to your portfolio. I'll give you the scene templates that I've already built. You literally just need to drag, drop, and render. It works for small products that you can hold in your hand all the way up to large pieces of furniture. And you can use these templates for whatever you want, whenever you want, forever. Number 2 is curation. You're only gonna learn what you need to, when you need to. I'm teaching you to think like a designer who creates professional work confidently and consistently. Lessons average 3 minutes and 47 seconds, which means they're short enough that you can knock out 5 of them during your lunch break. Number 3 is project-based learning. After reading several books on pedagogy, the main takeaway was that applying the knowledge through projects as soon as possible leads to the best results. So in our second project, we're gonna render a Game Boy together. You will learn the 4 essential rendering styles every designer needs to know: e-commerce, studio, lifestyle, situational. Plus, you're gonna do your first animation. Then the training wheels will come off. In your final project, you'll create a keyboard rendering entirely on your own. I'm gonna give you the assets, you simply apply everything you've already learned. Then you're gonna submit your work to me. I will personally review your work and record a video telling you what's working and what to improve on. Number 4 is support. If you get stuck at any time, you're gonna have my email address. You're not alone. Number 5 is the handbook. I wrote a 40-page printable KeyShot handbook. This is your quick reference guide. During your next KeyShot project, if you need to jog your memory, you just flip the page. You don't have to log back into the course and hunt around for the right video. Number 6, multi-language support. There's a built-in subtitle support and a Chrome extension that you can use to translate captions into a total of 31 different languages. Here's what's happening right now in the world. Companies are replacing expensive photography with rendering. It's faster, cheaper, and more flexible. Every product you see online needs visualization, and in a world flooded with AI-generated slop, the people who create consistent and reliable images will stand out. A solid foundation in rendering lets you adopt new tools, including AI, better than people using them as shortcuts. Speaking of AI, why even learn how to render when AI can just generate an image for you? No doubt AI can make a pretty image, but it's not going to give you the granular control that you need to continually refine and implement rounds of feedback. Precisely placed labels, loading in a new CAD model, exploded views, color-sensitive work, it all kind of starts to fall apart once you need precise control over your scenes across many iterations. AI doesn't replace rendering skills. It's a force multiplier for good rendering skills. This course covers the fundamentals only. Advanced lighting, complex materials, photorealistic techniques, that's more for levels 2 through 4, which at the time of recording are still under development. But if you don't have a ton of experience and you want to stop feeling stuck and start creating professional work, this course is for you. Here's everything I've included: 120 bite-sized video lessons, 3 complete portfolio projects, all project assets, 40-page printable handbook, personal video feedback on your final project, certificate of achievement when you complete the work, direct email access to me for support, lifetime access to the course, learn at your own pace, mobile app with offline viewing, and subtitles that can be translated into 31 different languages. And here's my guarantee, and this is important: complete the course, follow the steps. If you can't implement what I taught, I'll refund you, even if you finish the whole thing. If you genuinely followed the process and it didn't work for you, I'll give you your money back. I'm that confident that this works. If you're ready to elevate your skills and create with confidence, then it's time to take action. If this course seems like a fit for you, then click the button that says Enroll Now. On the checkout page, once you've paid, you'll get immediate access to the lessons. Here's what I want you to do. Work through the Quick Win Primer today. Within 1 hour, you'll have your first 3 professional renderings done using the scene templates. That's what taking action looks like. And about a month from now, I'll be reviewing your final project, and you'll be grateful you got started today.